Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Life English Podcast. My name is Emma, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Pheng. Hi, Emma. It's nice to see you again. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you, Pheng. Though I must say, this week has been quite busy. I had so many things to finish, but I tried to stay calm and positive. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. I had a stressful week as well, but I took some time to relax last night, listened to some music, and felt a lot better afterward.
That's good to hear, Pheng. Sometimes we just need a little break to feel okay again.
Absolutely. And before we start, let's say hello to everyone who's watching and listening right now.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life English. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are new here, this is a channel where we help you practice English through simple, real-life conversations.
Exactly. And today, we have a very useful and interesting topic to talk about, something that everyone in the world can relate to: stress and relaxation.
Yes, today's topic is talking about stress and relaxation in English. We're going to discuss what stress is, what makes us feel stressed, how to talk about stress in English, and most importantly, how to relax and feel better.
That's right. So, if you ever feel tired, worried, or tense, don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone feels stress sometimes, but we can all learn ways to handle it.
Before we begin, please take a second to support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Life English, click the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English.
Yes, we really appreciate your support. All right, Emma, let's begin our conversation.
Sure. So, Pheng, what does the word stress mean to you?
I think stress means a strong feeling of worry or pressure. It happens when something is difficult or when we have too many things to do at the same time.
That's a very good definition. Stress is when our mind and body feel tired or overloaded because of problems, work, or even emotions. Sometimes it's emotional stress, sometimes physical, and sometimes both.
Exactly. For example, I feel stressed when I have too many tasks at work or when something unexpected happens, like an important deadline.
I can relate to that. When I feel stressed, my shoulders become tight and my head starts to hurt. I just want to sit down and be quiet for a while.
Yes, I know that feeling. It's like your body is telling you, hey, slow down and take a break.
That's right. Our body often gives us signals when we are stressed: headaches, poor sleep, or even feeling tired all the time.
Yes, and sometimes stress doesn't come from big problems. Even small things like traffic, noise, or being late can make us feel stressed.
That's true. So, Pheng, when you feel stressed, what do you usually do to relax?
I usually listen to calm music. Sometimes I go for a walk outside and enjoy the fresh air. It really helps me to clear my mind.
That's a great idea. I also love walking, especially in the morning when the air is cool and the city is quiet. It gives me energy and peace at the same time.
Yes, mornings are great for that. I also like to watch a relaxing movie, or sometimes just sit quietly with a cup of tea.
Tea sounds perfect. I usually drink green tea when I feel stressed. It helps me calm down and think clearly again.
I agree. And I think deep breathing is another powerful way to relax. Just take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. It really helps to calm the body and mind.
That's so true. Breathing deeply helps your heart slow down and your body relax naturally. It's simple but very effective.
Yes, and you can do it anywhere, at home, at school, or even at work.
Exactly. Now let's talk about some English phrases that people can use when talking about stress and relaxation.
Good idea. Let's share some easy phrases for beginners.
Okay, here are some. I feel stressed. I need a break. I'm under pressure. I'm trying to relax. I feel much better now. I want to take it easy. I'm trying to stay calm.
Those are great phrases. Let's use them in a short question and answer conversation.
Sure. Pheng, you look a little tired today. Are you okay?
Yeah, I feel a bit stressed. I've had a lot of work lately.
Oh, I see. You should take it easy and relax for a while.
Yes, I think I'll go out for a walk later. That usually helps me feel better.
That's a great plan. Sometimes small things can make a big difference.
Yes, exactly. And that's a good example of how we can use simple English phrases to talk about our feelings.
Right. And when you talk about your feelings in English, it also helps you connect with others. It's a great way to communicate honestly and build better relationships.
Yes, and I think people understand you more when you can express how you feel. For example, instead of hiding your emotions, you can simply say, I feel tired today, or I need a break.
Exactly. It's healthy to talk about your feelings, and it helps reduce stress too.
That's right. So, Emma, can I ask, what are your top 3 favorite ways to relax?
My top 3. Let's see. Number 1, walking in nature. Number 2, listening to calm piano music. And number 3, writing in my journal. Just writing down my thoughts and feelings.
That's wonderful. Writing helps you release your emotions and understand yourself better.
Yes, it really does. What about you, Fang? What are your top 3 ways to relax?
Well, number 1 for me is listening to music. Number 2, watching something funny to make me laugh. And number 3, taking a short nap when I feel too tired.
Ah, yes. Laughter and sleep are both amazing for relaxation. When we laugh, our body releases happy hormones, and when we sleep, our body repairs itself.
Exactly. That's why it's so important to take care of ourselves. Sometimes, even 5 minutes of relaxation can change your whole day.
So true. And remember, everyone, relaxing doesn't mean being lazy. It means giving your mind and body a chance to rest so you can feel strong again.
Yes, I love that. Relaxation is not a waste of time. It's part of taking care of yourself.
Absolutely. So, to everyone listening, try to make time for relaxation every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. It can help you live a happier and healthier life.
That's true. And you can also practice speaking English at the same time. For example, you can talk to yourself or a friend about how you feel.
Yes. Say things like, I feel calm today, or I'm learning to stay positive. These small sentences can improve your English confidence.
Exactly. And they also remind you to take care of your emotions.
So let's review today's topic before we finish. We talked about what stress means, what causes it, and how to express stress in English. Then we shared easy relaxation ideas and useful phrases.
Yes, and we also practiced how to talk about stress in a natural conversation. Remember, everyone feels stress sometimes, but how we respond is what really matters.
That's a great point. And the best way to deal with stress is to stay calm, stay kind to yourself, and find simple ways to relax.
Exactly. So everyone, thank you so much for listening and spending time with us today.
Yes, thank you for watching or listening to Daily Life English Podcast. We hope today's conversation helps you feel more relaxed and gives you new English words to use.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. It helps our channel grow and helps other learners find us.
Yes, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Tell us, what do you do to relax when you feel stressed? Write your answer in English and practice.
That's right. And maybe we'll mention your comment in our next episode.
That would be wonderful. All right, everyone. Take care of yourselves, stay calm, and keep learning English every day.
Yes, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are doing great.
This is Emma.
And this is Pheng.
Thank you for joining us today.
See you in the next episode of Daily Life English.
Bye-bye, everyone, and stay relaxed.
Goodbye and take care.